Saturday night at 11, the Spirit Detective is taking over Adult Swim. 6 episodes in a row. The greatest battles of all time. YuYu Hakusho, Saturday night 11 to 2. Payback time. Supernatural stuff.
Meet the incredible Crash Dummies! Different dummies who crash different ways! Crash hits the wall and the wall wins! Crunch stays ahead of the game! Splice, time to split! But Gyro's still kicking! Now let's see what happens when they don't buckle up! Okay, how about an instant replay? So don't you be a dummy, buckle up! Incredible Crash Dummies! Crash Tuner and Crash SUV come with one figure. Vehicles and other figures each sold separately. Only from Hot Wheels!
Working.
Let's see what happens when I do this.
Garfield!
He's got a big appetite. He's got a big ego.
That one.
Get back, Mickey, back.
That one.
You little...
And this Friday, he's going on an adventure so wild, the big screen may not be big enough. Garfield the movie.
Watch out. I just had to do that.
Rated PG. Friday only in theaters.
Video Now. You can watch your favorite shows on your own personal video disc player.
I want choices. I want cool shows, like Powerpuff Girls,
Codename Kids Next Door.
and Eddie Eddie.
Now. Collectible and tradable.
On disc after disc. Video Now! Now!
Nothing really special ever happens here, in this place, until she came along. Next thing I knew, I had things coming out of my head. Then I had a robot living in my house. And well, it's a bunch of other weird stuff. Whatever. It's really not that big a deal. Do you find this difficult to understand?